AI is advancing faster than we ever imagined. From robots replacing humans to AI deciding our fate, is the future something to fear? In this video, we're diving into terrifying AI predictions that might just change the world forever. Stick around till the end, because the last one, it's straight out of a sci-fi nightmare. Let's get started! As we stand on the precipice of a new era dominated by artificial intelligence, it's hard not to feel a chill run down our spines when we consider the potential implications of our technological advancements. The rapid evolution of AI has sparked both excitement and trepidation as we grapple with the reality that we may be crafting tools that could outpace human control. The predictions for the future of AI are as varied as they are unsettling, painting a picture of a world where machines not only assist us, but potentially overshadow our very existence. One of the most pervasive fears surrounding AI is the prospect of job displacement. And as algorithms become increasingly adept at performing tasks traditionally reserved for humans, entire industries may find themselves on the brink of extinction. Imagine a world where autonomous vehicles dominate our roads, rendering millions of drivers obsolete. The ripple effects of such a shift would extend far beyond transportation, affecting logistics, insurance, and even urban planning. The societal implications are staggering, as people struggle to find purpose and stability in a landscape where their skills are no longer valued. Yet, the specter of unemployment is merely the tip of the iceberg. As AI systems grow more powerful, the potential for misuse becomes alarmingly tangible. Consider the rise of deepfakes and the ability to manipulate reality itself. With advanced AI, anyone can create convincing videos or audio recordings that can spread misinformation at an unprecedented scale. The very fabric of trust in our society could unravel as we become unable to discern fact from fiction. Politicians, celebrities, and ordinary citizens alike could find their reputations tarnished by fabricated content, leading to chaos in our social and political systems. Moreover, the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI are profound and troubling. As we develop machines capable of making decisions, we face the question of accountability. Who is responsible when an AI system causes harm? The programmer, the company, the machine itself? The ambiguity surrounding these questions could lead to a legal quagmire, where victims of AI-induced harm find themselves without recourse. This uncertainty could foster a culture of fear, where innovation is stifled by the potential for catastrophic consequences. Then there's the chilling notion of surveillance and control. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, governments and corporations can monitor individuals with unprecedented precision. Imagine a world where every move you make is tracked, analyzed, and predicted by algorithms designed to control your behavior. The implications for personal privacy are staggering, leading to a society where dissent is stifled and conformity is enforced. The rise of AI could usher in an era reminiscent of dystopian fiction, where freedom is sacrificed at the altar of security. Perhaps the most harrowing prediction is the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence altogether, leading to a scenario often referred to as the singularity. In this future, machines could become self-improving, rapidly evolving beyond our comprehension. The fear is not merely that AI would outperform humans in specific tasks, but that it could develop its own goals, potentially at odds with human welfare. This existential threat raises profound questions about our place in the universe. Would we become obsolete, mere relics of a bygone era, or would we find a way to coexist with our creations? As we navigate this uncertain future, it is imperative that we approach the development of AI with caution and foresight. The predictions may be grim, but they serve as a crucial reminder of the responsibility we bear in shaping the technology that will define our lives. It is within our power to ensure that the advancements we make are guided by ethical considerations, prioritizing humanity over convenience. The future of AI is not set in stone. It is a narrative we are still writing, and we must choose our words wisely.